Welcome to Module 3 of our Grammar Mooc course. In this module, we will delve into several key elements of English grammar that are essential for mastering the language. First, we will explore transitive and intransitive verbs, focusing on how these verbs function in sentences and how they influence the sentence structure. Understanding this distinction will enhance your ability to construct clear and precise sentences. Next, we will examine the royal order of adjectives, a crucial aspect of descriptive writing. You'll learn the correct sequence for placing multiple adjectives before a noun to ensure your descriptions are both accurate and natural. We will also cover adverbs, which add depth to your sentences by modifying verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. You'll discover how to use adverbs effectively to convey the nuances of action and description. Our exploration will continue with prepositions, which are fundamental in indicating relationships between different elements within a sentence. You'll learn how to use prepositions to provide context and clarity. We'll then move on to conjunctions, which are the glue that holds sentences together. You'll gain insights into how to connect ideas smoothly and logically using various conjunctions. Finally, we'll touch on interjections, those expressive words or phrases that convey strong emotions or reactions. Understanding interjections will help you add flair and personality to your writing. By the end of this module, you'll have a deeper understanding of these grammatical elements and how to use them effectively to enhance your communication skills. Let's get started.